dropped in shock when I saw a girl who had cool pants. They made me want to dance. I started to advance to tell her until I heard a little voice say, "Stop, you're gonna make it weird. Everyone in here and you're gonna break her flow." 손 돌리지 말고 나를 바라봐도 homie. Look at me, look at me. 날 바라봐, 나를 바라봐. Look at me, look at me. 눈을 바라봐, 눈을 바라봐. Look at me, look at me. 날 바라봐, 나를 바라봐.
Oh, traveler, please wait. We can see that you are at the end of your journey and are quite well off. If you have anything to spare, we have things to trade. But only a little. Name your price and doubloon will give you the last of our wares. What's left after the theft are but these 3 ribbons.
Króliczki na dwór. Tutaj mizianko. Już je bierzemy. I wziąłam też woreczek, żeby ususzyć trawkę. No i tutaj już są na trawie. No i zbieram trawkę, żeby ją ususzyć na jakby sianko takie dla nich. No w każdym razie taki uzupełniacz. No i tutaj mam tą trawkę, wyjmuję jakąś losową książkę i wrzucam trawkę. Zamykam i czekamy. Bajo!
How I make paper moths? First, I start by finding a ref and drawing the base body of the insect. Then I will cut out the wings. Make sure to take 2 pieces of paper stacked on each other when cutting so the wing comes out the same twice. When I cut out the body, I recommend leaving some room around it, in case you need to make it a bit bigger. Now color? When gluing the wings, I use hot glue. I take a scrap of paper to put on the back to make the pieces pop more like layers. The moth I made has 2 sets of visible wings, so I will glue the top ones first and leave room to slide in the other pairs. Lastly, I add stuff like antennas, legs, and more fluff. I also add a clip on the back. Ta-da! Now you have your own paper moth.